Hello everybody, my name is Dominic from Naneos. In this video I would like to show you how easy it is to make drone-based ultrafine particle measurements with our Partector 2 and a commercially available drone. Let's have a look at our equipment. We have here our Partector 2. It's a very small and handy multimetric nanoparticle detector, and it weighs just over 400 grams. It can be used in any orientation, so ideal for drones and UAVs. Unlike optical instruments, it can also measure ultrafine particles down to around 10 nanometers. For more specifications on that, please go on our website. On the other side, we have this commercially available drone, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, that can easily lift around 500 grams. To stick everything together, we 3D printed a plastic carrying frame. Additionally, we have this inlet pipe to sample outside the air turbulences of the propeller. So basically, that's it. Welcome to our test site. You can see we built up some stuff in the background. The goal here is to do a fully automated 360-degree circumnavigating measurement flight. We built up a ladder and we have a tin on top. We can do a fire inside, so we have a proper aerosol source to measure. Now the goal is to start at the point, fly to the object here, then do this autopilot generated measurement process, and then go back to the place where we started and make measurements on all along the flight path. So I'm pretty excited to see if this works, and yeah, let's start. I have to say it's a really cool feature of the drone that you can program the flight path and even tell it where it should point the sensor at while flying a pre-programmed pattern. In another experiment, we were at a 3-story apartment building that has a pellet heating system in its basement. The goal was to test how easy it would be to fly and measure manually to this chimney, also with very little space and trees and roofs around the place of measuring. So it turned out to be very feasible to manually fly very precisely with this type of drone and a sensor payload. So to visualize the data, you can open the measurement file with our Java tool and there directly merge the data with the GPX file you get from the flight system of your drone. And by clicking, you can then export the merged data to Google Earth, so it's really easy to visualize the points where you have higher concentrations measured. So that's it. I hope I could give you some insight on how easy it is to make drone-based particle measurements with our tools. And if you do something similar, make sure you let us know. Thanks for watching and goodbye.